So we officially closed on our house. When you enter, you come in through this little front door. And this is the family room. I think it's super cute. 4 big windows. It's too bad the fireplace came out. Then on this side, we have a little dining nook type of thing. It's quite large. That's gonna go. And I'll take you in here. We have this really cool room. I don't quite know what to call it. It's like a hallway room. So we have a linen closet right here, which is super nice. The house was built in 1940. So I love the fact that we have this for, you know, telephones and stuff. Nice empty wall. This is gonna be the guest bedroom, I think. So 2 nice windows. It is carpeted, which I kind of prefer in a bedroom. And it has a cool built-in cedar closet. And obviously the closet part needs to come down. But let's see if I can find the light switch. I don't really know where this stuff is. Yeah, it's a nice cedar closet. It has a little built-in there, which I think is so fun. So, and then under here is how you get to the foundation, because it's a pier and beam. Yeah, this is the bedroom. We love it. I love that when you come back into here, it just feels very open. A little bathroom. We're gonna replace the vanity and stuff in here. But it's nice that it has that window. I love the fun tiles here. They're just very unique. It's pretty basic. Back out, this is gonna be the master, I think. Something I love is that a bunch of these rooms have these glass vintage knobs. So, we have 2 closets, a his and a hers, which is nice. I'll show you one of them because they're identical. Just, you know, a good basic closet. And there's 3 really nice big windows in here. So I think the dresser is gonna go there, and then the other side we'll probably put the bed and the nightstands and everything. But it just has a lot of really great natural light. And then you exit back into the kitchen. And I have big plans for this space, but I love that it has like a nice sized window over the sink. And I love KitchenAid dishwashers. I just think they're so much like more quality. Because cheap dishwashers in apartments were the bane of my existence. Yeah, it's just really cute. Apparently the hot water heater used to be in there and they moved it so it's a pantry now, which is nice. So it's a really good sized kitchen for a smaller home. And then out here, this is gonna be the mudroom. So washer and dryer there, you can enter over here. And yeah, it's done some steps. We'll have to figure out some storage down here. But it's pretty big and it's really bright, which is nice. And then the last room in the house is in here. So it looks out into the laundry room. We have this really cool fireplace that's a little bit different than what you normally see, which I love. I love a statement. Yeah, it's just a nice big room. And you can see into the kitchen from here. Then if we head out back, everything's all locked up. We have a shed that we're going to use for woodworking, I think. Nice big patio, and then this nice little deck over here. And then that shed's gonna go. So it's a really nice space. We have all of these really old big trees that are just beautiful. Back of the house, it just looks so friendly and inviting. So it's nice because the lot is pretty small. So it shouldn't be too much to take care of, hopefully. And just back inside. So this is going to be like our formal room. And that's it. So be on the lookout for more videos. I'm going to be remodeling the whole place. We're actually starting to tear down tonight. Thanks for watching.